Good morning. Today we are starting with example number 8. Given that Pn 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 cube plus dash 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 n into 2 raised to n is equal to n minus 1 into 2 raised to n plus 1 plus 2. Right? So first step, for n is equal to 1. Right? So taking left hand side. Left hand side of this given statement Pn is this first term. First term is 1 into 2, that is 2. Now right hand side. Right hand side is this. Substitute n equal to 1. So 1 minus 1, that is 0. So 0 into anything is 0. So this is 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Right? So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore P1 is true. Therefore P1 is true. Right? Now we assume that let Pk be true. That is Pk. You have to write Pk. Simply replace n by k. Right? So what is your answer? This is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 cube plus dash 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 plus, we have to replace n by k. So substituting k here, this is k into 2 raised to k is equal to k minus 1. K minus 1 into 2 raised to k plus 1 and then plus 2. Right? Big plus sign because these and these two terms are different. Right? K belongs to n. Say reason number 1. Right? Now to prove that Pk is true, we prove that P k plus 1 is true. You know, for writing Pk plus 1 step, you have to write down left hand side of this Pk as it is and then replace this k by k plus 1. So that is to prove that 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 cube plus dash 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 plus this is k into 2 raised to k. So this is the left hand side of this Pk. Now replace k by k plus 1 as we are writing Pk plus 1. Right? So this is plus k replaced by k plus 1 into 2 raised to k plus 1. Right? And right hand side is equal to replacing this k by k plus 1 and minus 1 as it is into 2 raised to, this is k. So k plus 1 and then plus 2. This is we have to prove. Now simplifying this, what we get? This is k plus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. So answer is k. Right? And this is 2 raised to k plus 1 plus 1. That is k plus 2 plus 2. This is you have to prove. Right? So now this is left hand side. This is right hand side. So taking left hand side, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus dash 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 plus k into 2 raised to k plus k plus 1 into 2 raised to k plus 1. Right? Now, you know, in this left hand side, from second last term to first term is always, this is always your result number 1, that is pk. See, this all terms are same. So answer of this is k minus 1. So substituting this value, so this is k minus 1 into 2 raised to k plus 1 plus 2. I am writing plus big sign because these two terms are different, and then remaining term will be plus k plus 1 into 2 raised to k plus 1. This is because of 1. Right? Now see here. This is 2 raised to k plus 1. Again this is 2 raised to k plus 1. So writing these two terms with together and taking 2 raised to k plus 1 common. So what we get here? K minus 1 into 2 raised to k plus 1 plus k plus 1 into 2 raised to k plus 1 plus 2. Now 2 raised to k plus 1 is common, right? So taking common, this is k minus 1 plus, this is k plus 1, bracket over, and 2 raised to k plus 1 is common, and then plus 2. So now this one minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So k plus k is twice k. So this is 2 times k into, this is 2 raised to k plus 1 and then plus 2. Then plus 2. Now see, base of these two numbers are same, and you know you have one formula, a raised to m plus n is equal to a raised to m into a raised to n. Means if base are same, then sum of the power or subtraction of the power, right? So applying this formula to this, this is k, 2 raised to, now power of 2 is 1, so 2 raised to 1 plus k plus 1, power of this 2 is k plus 1, so adding this power and this plus 2, right? So this is your k into 2 raised to k plus 2, so k plus 2, and this is plus 2, this is plus 2. Now see here, this is your right hand side, so this is your right hand side. Therefore p k plus 1 is true. Therefore pk implies pk plus 1 is true. Also p1 is true. Therefore by PMI for all n belongs to n, Pn is true. Pn is true. Got it? So all examples in PMI in this type of questions are same. First you have to prove for n equal to 1, P1 is true. Then assuming Pk is true, you have to prove that Pk plus 1 is true, right? So as I said earlier, this is your common step. For n is equal to 1, let Pk be true, and to prove that Pk is true, we have to prove that Pk plus 1 is true. But remember one thing only, that while you are writing Pk plus 1 term, right, Pk plus 1 step, then remember, right, that you have to write left hand side of Pk as it is, right, left hand side of this Pk as it is, and then adding one more step, that is replace k by k plus 1. So this is your critical step. You have to remember this. This is your critical step. This is important step. आपको ये जो पता चल गया ना, तो सब कुछ हो जाएगा, right? So this step is very important in PMI's examples. Okay? Then nothing to do. Write down left hand side. From second last term to first term is always your result number 1. That is your Pk. write down the value of pk, that is result number 1, and then simplify. You will get your answer. Now next question is example number 5. Given that Pn is equal to 1 into 3 raised to 1 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus dash. Last term is plus n into 3 raised to n is equal to 1 upon 4 into bracket twice n minus 1 into 3 raised to n plus 1 plus 3 for all n belongs to n. This is the given question. So as per routine, this is for n is equal to 1 first step. So for n is equal to 1, left hand side is the first term of this, that is 1 into 3 raised to 1, that is 3, and the right hand side putting n is equal to 1. Putting n is equal to 1, right hand side is 1 upon 4 into n is equal to 1, so this is 2 into 1, 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1, 3 raised to 1 plus 1 and plus 3 and plus 3. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is 1 upon 4 into 2 minus 1, 1. 3 raised to 1 plus 1, that is 3 raised to 2. 3 square. 3 square is 9 plus 3. Right? So this is 12 by 4, that is 3. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore P1 is true. P1 is true. Now second step. Let Pk be true. Let Pk be true. Right? That is, you have to replace n by k in Pn. So that is Pk 1 into 3 raised to 1 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus dash plus k into 3 raised to k is equal to 1 upon 4 into twice k minus 1 3 raised to k plus 1 plus 3. Right? For all k belongs to n, say result number 1. Result number 1. Right? Now next step. To prove that Pk is true, we prove that P k plus 1 is true. This is our third step. Now for write down Pk plus 1, for writing this Pk plus 1, you have to remember, you know what to do? Yes. Write down left hand side of Pk as it is. So that is, to prove that left hand side of Pk as it is, that is 1 into 3 raised to 1 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube plus dash plus k into 3 raised to k as it is, and then replace k by k plus 1. Right? So plus, instead of this k, this is k plus 1. Right? And into 3 raised to k plus 1, I am writing right hand side here, this is equal to 1 upon 4. Right? This is 2. So this is 2. Now be careful. See here the crowd. Right? Be careful. This is 2. Now k. So we are replacing k by k plus 1. Right? Use proper brackets. Right? We are replacing k by k plus 1 minus 1. Right? Now this bracket, that is I am writing curly bracket here, set bracket here. Right? This into 3 raised to. Now replace k by k plus 1. So this is k plus 1 and this is plus 1. So this is plus 1 and then big plus because terms are different. Right? So plus 3. and this is set big bracket over. आपको ये पता है हम क्यों लिखते हैं, क्योंकि क्या होगा A3 और A3 आप बीच में मिक्स हो जाएगा और मैसअप हो जाएगा ना, तो आप लोग जब सॉन्ग सुनते हैं ना गुजराती हिंदी इंग्लिश मैसअप सॉन्ग वैसा हो जाएगा, तो पता नहीं चलेगा ये कौन था, राइट। सो इसके लिए आपको ये B प्लस लिखना है, गॉट इट। सो नाउ दिस इज नीड टू बी सिंप्लीफाइड, सो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, क्या होगा, दिस इज 1/4, now this is 2k plus 2, so this is 2k plus 2, right, and minus 1 as it is, so this is your bracket, that is set bracket. I am writing now only single bracket, into 3 raised to, this is k plus 1 plus 1, that is k plus 2, right, and plus 3. Now this is 2k, 2 minus 1 is 1, so this is equal to 1/4, this is 2k plus 1 into 3 raised to k plus 2 and then plus 3, right. So this is your missile target, this is left hand side, this is your right hand side. So writing left hand side, so left hand side is, you know I am writing only two terms, 1 into 3 raised to 1, no need to write all terms, right. 2 into 3 square plus this plus, because important term is this and first two terms, so no need to write this term, right. Don't waste your time. This is 3 raised to k and plus k plus 1 into 3 raised to k plus 1 into 3 raised to k plus 1. This is left hand side. Now you know that second last term, from second last term to first term is always your result number 1, is always your result number 1, that is pk. Now write down the answer of this, that is 1/4, so this is 1/4, right. This is twice k minus 1, twice k minus 1 into 3 raised to k plus 1 plus 3, right. This is the answer, and the remaining term is this last term is plus k plus 1 into 3 raised to k plus 1. This is due to result number 1, right. Now taking LCM, so multiply 4 here, so this is equal to twice k minus 1 3 raised to k plus 1 then plus 3, write big notations, 3 plus, this is 4 times, this is 4 times k plus 1 3 raised to k plus 1. Why we are multiplying by 4 here? Because we are taking LCM. So whole upon 4, right. Now see, you want this answer, 1/4 is outside the bracket, that is 1/4 is already there. Now you need plus 3, so plus 3 is here, so you have to simplify for getting this answer, these two terms, right. So from these two terms, if we take 3 raised to k plus 1 common and then simplify, you will get your answer. So I am writing this 1/4 first into bracket, this is 2k minus 1 into 3 raised to k plus 1, then plus, I am writing this term, plus 4 k plus 1, right, into 3 raised to k plus 1, and then this is plus 3, then plus 3, got it. Now take 3 raised to k plus 1 common from these two terms, because we need plus 3 extra, so plus 3 is already there, 1/4 is there, so we have to simplify these two terms. So taking this term common, this is 1/4, this is 1/4. Now this is 2k minus 1, and if we multiply 4 with this, what we get? 4k plus 4. So this is 4k plus 4, right? Into 3 raised to k plus 1. 3 raised to k plus 1. And then plus 3. Then plus 3. Right? So this is 1 upon 4 to k plus 4k is 6k. So this is 6k. 4 minus 1 is plus 3 into 3 raised to k plus 1 plus 3. Got it? Now, taking 3 common from this, so what we get? 1 upon 4. This is 3 common, that is twice k plus 1 into 3 is common. And this is 3 raised to k plus 1 is this 3 raised to k plus 1, right? And plus 3. And plus 3. Right? Now, base of these are same. So, sum of the power, that is 3 raised to k plus 1 plus 1. Right? You have the formula, you know now. A raised to m plus n is a raised to m into a raised to n. So this is 1 upon 4 into 2k plus 1 into 3 raised to k plus 2 and plus 3 plus 3. See, what is this? This is, both results are same. है ना? है ना same? Huh? 2k plus 1, 3 raised to k plus 2 plus 3. So these examples are very easy. You have to score full marks in this chapter. Right? So this is your right hand side. Therefore, p k plus 1 is true. Right? Therefore, pk implies pk plus 1 is true. Also P1 is true. Right? Therefore, by PMI, okay, I'm writing here. Therefore, by PMI, for all n belongs to n, Pn is true. Right? You have to go to here, from here to here. Right? So this is the way to solve the examples of PMI. Right? Next question is example number 12. Given that Pn is equal to A plus AR square plus dash A r raised to n minus 1 is equal to A into r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1, where r is not equal to 1 and n belongs to n. See what I did. This is your structure for PMI. Right? N equal to 1, left hand side, right hand side. Then assume pk be true. Then to prove that pk is true, we have to prove that pk plus 1 is true. Right? Then simplify. So then take left hand side, and if you get pk plus 1 is true, then by PMI you have to write these 4 steps in each and every examples. तो ये आपको दिखाने के लिए मैंने स्ट्रक्चर छोड़ा है. राइट? तो क्या करना है, बस जो स्टेटमेंट दिया है मैथमेटिकल स्टेटमेंट Pn, सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए एंड गेट योर आंसर. राइट? सो नाउ फॉर n इक्वल टू 1, फर्स्ट टर्म, व्हाट इज फर्स्ट टर्म? फर्स्ट टर्म इज a, so left hand side is a. Now it's very easy for me, right? Okay, ready made food, just as like a Maggie. Right? Right hand side, this is a, right? N is 1, so this is r minus 1 upon r minus 1, so this is a. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, therefore P1 is true. Right? Let pk be true. Right? Now replace n by k, so what we get? pk is a plus ar square plus dash plus a r raised to k minus 1, a r raised to k minus 1 is equal to a r raised to k minus 1 whole upon r minus 1, where r not equal to 1 and k belongs to n, and this is result number 1 as usual. Now to prove that pk is true, we have to prove that pk plus 1 is true. So that is to prove that, right? क्या करना है पता है, लास्ट स्टेप तक लिखना है. So left hand side of pk is this, then replace k by k plus 1. So left hand side of pk is, that is to prove that k plus ar square plus dash plus ar raised to k minus 1. Now replace this k by k plus 1. So plus a r raised to k plus 1 minus 1. Got it? This is equal to a r raised to k plus 1 minus 1 upon r minus 1 upon r minus 1. So I think no need to simplify. We know that this 1 and 1 cancel. So this is your left hand side. So we are proceed further with directly left hand side. That is a plus ar plus ar square plus dash plus a r raised to k minus 1 plus a, this 1 and 1 cancel. So what we get, a r raised to k only. So a r raised to k, right? And you know from second last term to first term, right? From second last term is this to first term is always your result number 1. So substituting value of this, that is a r raised to k minus 1 whole upon r minus 1, right? And remaining term is this a r raised to k. Why this? This is due to result number 1. Now taking LCM, that is this is a r raised to k minus 1 plus multiply with r minus 1. So a r minus 1 into r raised to k whole upon r minus 1. So this is expanding a r raised to k minus a plus this is a r and with k. So a r into r raised to k, right? And now multiplying a with this is minus a, and also there is r raised to k whole upon r minus 1. Now this a r raised to k and this a r raised to k will be cancelled. So this is, I am writing this plus term first, a. Now see here, base of both are same, and you know if base are same then sum of the power. So a r raised to k plus 1 minus a whole upon r minus 1, right? So this is a is common, r raised to k plus 1, right? R raised to k plus 1 and minus 1 whole upon r minus 1. Now see here, what is this? Both are same, right? So this is your right hand side, and I have already got it. Therefore pk plus 1 is true. Therefore pk implies pk plus 1 is true. Therefore also p1 is true. Therefore by PMI for all n belongs to n, Pn is true, right?